Hello friends! Today we are taking the time machine back to June when Dana was one of the lucky ones to score a pass to Yosemite when they had opened up for a brief period before the fires kicked in. We stayed about an hour away at a place called the Yosemite Bug Rustic Mountain Resort, had some hippie vibes, all good, solid staff and some decent menu options at the restaurant, and once again I have no footage of the resort. But I do have footage from the Mist Trail. Dana had been to Yosemite before, but never to the valley, and if you've never been to Yosemite, you gotta hit up the Mist Trail. I like it because it's a mix of things. You got a mellow start, you see some waterfalls, and it makes you work for it at the stair section. Usually this trail is a lot more crowded, but with COVID they had markers for one-way trails where you couldn't come down this way, and you took the Muir trail down instead. Eventually I switched out to the GoPro because, true to form, the mist really kicks up on this trail. I really like the GH5 for photos, but I will say the GoPro still surprises me with some decent shots on trail. And here's what happens when you forget you're in video mode trying to get those vernal falls shots. After one last push up the stairs, you make it to the top of the falls for a great payoff to all that work. Once again, not many people out here, which was great. Usually you have to wait in line to get a look over the edge. Coming down on the Muir Trail, you get some great views of Mount Broderick and Liberty Cap, along with Nevada Falls and some different angles on the Vernal Falls once again. The next day we did our own thing and I hiked Upper Yosemite Falls, video coming soon on that one, and then on the last day we drove up to Glacier Point, another spot I haven't seen despite being to Yosemite countless times and usually on account of all the crowds. But again, with limited access to the park, this was definitely the move. On the way we stopped at Washburn Point, offering great views of Half Dome, Vernal Falls, and Nevada Falls. Got some obligatory shots, cause why not? Should I just call them oblegs? Is that a thing? Me? I've hiked Half Dome plenty of times, but I've never seen it from this side, so that was really cool for me. At the parking lot of Glacier Point, parking was no problem even in the middle of the day. Here we got some views of the Glacier Point trailhead. On the other side of the point, you can see Upper Yosemite Falls and a bit of the trail that leads up to it. This overhanging rock is the one known for the Yosemite dancing ladies. And I gotta tell you, being up there, those ladies are nuts! And I gotta say, it was really great getting out there because of all these valley vantage points that were new to me. On the way back from the point, we stopped off for some shots at Tunnel View, another spot I've never checked out because, again, usually it's too crowded. Got some of those new to me valley views and some of those oblegs. On our way out, we caught some shots of El Capitan, truly immense, and when you're this close, it's hard to imagine Alex Honnold climbing up this thing free solo. Check out that documentary if you haven't seen it, by the way, it's nuts. All in all, it was a great trip and definitely great to get out there after being cooped up so long. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.